So, good evening, everyone. It's so great to have you all here at the design review of this semester's iPraktikum. I'm Philipp, and I'm the coach of Team Equinux, which develops a revolutionary email newsletter solution. The team consists of the 6 developers Dennis, Anton, Sori, Marco, Mohammed, and Tim, as well as our amazing project lead Jessica. And now, without further ado, I would hand over to Tim, which introduces you to the app. Enjoy.
Hi there. Hi there. Yes. So let's take a dive into our topic. So I want you guys to meet Anton. Anton is a student at TUM. For Anton, design is something of great importance. And Anton sends and receives a lot of emails. So I guess we can all relate with Anton on this one. Most of Anton's inbox looks like this. A lot of plain text, no images, no colors, and basically just a bunch of emails that scream, delete me. And the other day, Anton received a mail that looked like this. Highlighted text boxes, colors, images, buttons, and an overall just more professional look. And Anton thought to himself, how could I create something similar? So he started thinking, and a couple of issues appeared. So first of all, Anton isn't a web developer himself. So he doesn't know HTML, and he can't do it alone. Also, he doesn't have the money or the resources to hire someone to do it for him, and he doesn't have the time to actually learn it himself. In addition to all of this, Anton travels a lot, so for him, a mobile solution would be the perfect fit. So what can we do to support Anton with this problem? We need to create a mobile email creation application, right? So what kind of requirements would such an app have? So first of all, we would need to provide beautiful templates that Anton can then intuitively edit. In addition to all of this, the app has to seamlessly slot into the existing iOS workflow. And obviously, we need to provide some kind of HTML output at the end for Anton to actually send the mail. So I guess you're all really excited on what we did for this problem. And I would say, let's take a first glimpse on our solution with our film. Let's watch.
At Mail Champion, we always thought design was more than just the way things look. It's about bringing order to complexity. We have envisioned a revolutionary way on how to interact with mail, changing the way we engage with each other and technology. Introducing Mail Champion. With an immersive design, a groundbreaking user experience, and seamless integration, it will radically change the way we interact with our customers, giving you the ability to design beautiful text within mere seconds. No more agencies, no more hassle.
Hello, everyone. So now that you've also seen what we have been working on in the last few weeks, let me actually show you the core functionality of our app. With Mail Champion, you can easily explore many different templates to find the one that suits your needs best. In addition, it is possible to customize every single one to meet your personal preferences, to, for example, reflect a corporate identity. And last but not least, every single change can be previewed inside the app, and also a mail can directly be sent out to all recipients. So let's ask Anton what he thinks of all of this. Anton seems pretty happy to me. But let's now actually take a step back. to see how we got to this point by investigating what's happening under the hood. And for this, I would like to introduce to you the layout parsing system. Every mail starts with one of our beautiful templates like the one you can see here. We create such a template by using the markup language MJML, which is a simplification layer for creating responsive HTML emails. This is especially helpful as every email client treats HTML slightly differently, and by just starting with MJML, we can totally avoid this pitfall. The next step is to make the template customizable. And for that, we transfer it into our custom JSON format. We then load the template into our editor and map every single template element, such as images, text, or buttons, to its respective Swift UI component. Now we have to send this mail. And for this, we have to convert everything back to first MJML and in the end to HTML. However, as no native library exists that can do the conversion on an iOS device, we had to come up with a cool little trick. And for that, we modified a Node.js library so that it could run inside JavaScript core, which now allows us to actually do this conversion on device without any latency, which in the end enables us to show a preview of all the changes. Now for sending, we simply upload all necessary resources to the backend of our customer Equinux, so that the mail server has everything that it needs. The user then sets a target group, and with the push of a button, the mail gets delivered to all recipients. Now, to recap what we just discussed, we started with one of our MJML templates that we converted into JSON. We then loaded it into the editor where the user did all the changes. We converted everything back into MJML, into HTML, and we send it using the backend of our customer. But now with all these technicalities aside, Mohammed is going to show you how all of this works in action.
So hi everyone, and enough from the technicalities and let's get to the fun part. Remember Anton, right? So let me just start by inviting him to the stage. So everyone please give Anton a really warm applause. Hi Anton, I heard that you are working lately on a really important project of yours.
Exactly, like you all know today is the design review, and I'd like to send a cool email to all of you to thank you for your hard work.
Really amazing idea.
So, and for that I want to use your Mail Champion app.
Sure, let's do it. So as you've seen here, this is our main view where you can find different templates with different colors, different shapes, and each template serves a specific purpose. So choose what suits you.
Yeah, that looks really nice.
Nice. So now you are in our main component, the editor. Over here, you can edit each part of your email as much as you want. For example, let's start by changing this text. Okay.
Thank you for your hard work.
They worked hard. So now, even you can change the font size. You can make it bigger, and you can make it smaller. You can even change the color. Put it red.
That's
red. Another cool feature that we have that we can even add a picture to email, and let's do it. So let's take picture. Hey everyone, help Anton have a really good email, and let's take a selfie with him. So everyone, say cheese. Cheese. Nice. So now you have it over there, and you can even see how your email looks like. You hit preview, and this is your email.
Nice.
So
everything of this is everything working offline, or do we need internet for that?
That's our amazing feature. Everything is offline and everything is on device. You don't need internet to design your email. You don't need anything. You just need internet to the sending part, which is to come to it now. So you hit send, and you choose your team.
Okay.
You added a target, a subject first.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. You select a target group. And then you just hit upload and send. It's going to take some seconds, sorry. So, cool. Thank you very much, Anton. And everyone, check your pockets. I think you have received Anton's email so far. So, as far as we have seen, we have already showed with the different features that we already have, such as we are done with the technical research. We have now a working basic editor of functionalities, and we are able to send emails. We have different templates with different colors, different shapes, and we would like to even step further, and we would not stop here. First, we would like to have an advanced editor functionalities, and by that I mean we would like to give the end user the opportunity to start from scratch and kickstart his own design process from zero. We would like even to merge the EOS workflow, and by that I mean we would like to give the end user the possibility to start from any other app, such as the gallery, and where he can choose a picture and start designing the email from an old pictures of his. We would like even to support bigger screens, and by that I mean the iPad, where we would like to give the end user a bigger playground to start to design and to be more creative and have better ideas. And all of that we would like to achieve before the client acceptance test. Thank you everyone, and thank you and thanks to everyone who supported us so far to bring Mail Champion to light. Thank you Equinux and our customers Till and Adrian for always being there for us. Thank you everyone.
Okay, yeah, thank you, team. I am super impressed. It was a great presentation, great show you put on. And I have to say, when you sent the email, I was very nervous, along with everyone else here, I imagine.
It worked.
But it actually worked, yeah, and we got the email here. So that was spectacular to see.
We're the best.
I have to say, this is also the first time we've had an iPraktikum project where the core functionality of the app, namely sending a message, is already working by the design review. So that's super impressive. So hats off to everyone who worked so really hard on this project. My question is, so now we have templates in the app, they're looking great. How complicated is it going to be to add more use cases, more designs to the app? And will you have to rework the Swift UI editor, or does that just happen with the new template?
Okay, Anton.
So that's quite easy. We have the MGML editor, where you can design the templates. Then we created a custom website that converts the MGML into our custom JSON format. And that JSON format you can add in our app, and the editor will automatically adapt to that.
All right, so that's all
really
dynamic.
easy.
Nice. All right. Well, thanks for a great presentation, and look forward to having you back at Zeitpunkt House soon. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.